Ans, para matapos na, ilang buwan kayo naging kayo ni Brett? At paano na? Ano?
Because it's not as simple as being girlfriend, boyfriend. There are so many aspects to it now. I mean, iba na yung kultura ngayon. So I can't just answer that because the thing is, yun nga di ba, hindi naman, pwede na bang maging tayo ngayon, ganyan. Hindi na ganun ngayon. So, wala nang ligawan, tapos magkakasagutan, tapos, parang sasagutin mo, tapos kayo na, tapos papakasal kayo. Hindi na ganun. Pero so, it's not as official, so I can't just answer. I just can't answer that, hindi ko mabibigyan ng sagot yun. No? Hindi ko mas-specify. So, and I don't think it's important.
Ano ba yung reason na nag-decide na kayo maging mas friends? Kasi di ba dati, kung naman siya na gusto kayo ligawan, siya feeling sa'yo. Ano yung turning point na sinabi mo, hindi pwede, parang friends na tayo. Yung bang, kasi nag-heal pa yung heart mo kay...
Hindi naman po sa ganun, pero hindi naman po talaga sa ganun. It's just that, before I met Brett, I was not single for 6 years. 2 years kami ni Albi, tapos 4 years kami ni Jay. I think it's about time that I experience being by myself first. It doesn't mean that I don't care about the people who care about me. It's just that I think that it's not wrong of me to just for once put myself first. Because
Natatawa lang si Brett.
yun nga, I have different priorities. At least my number one priority. And yun, gusto ko lang muna talaga ayusin.
Ba't hindi kayo matapos-tapos ni Jake?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Oo. Kasi ang dami nagsasabi, sila na naman, kahapon naghiwalay.
Yun nga po, ang tagal na rin sila ang tagal na yun. In people's eyes, before mag-enter si Brett sa lecture. Before kami talagang hiwalay ni Jake, na hiwalay talaga. In people's eyes, kami hindi. My family would also say the same thing, but it's because they know what's going on. But in other people's eyes, feeling nila kami hindi. Kasi bawat oras na magkasama kami. Bawat oras na hindi kami. Hindi naman ganun eh. There's more to it than that. And also, Jake was not in showbiz. And he was not obliged to share his personal life to the world. And so, I just wanted to protect that. So, yun.
Pero umabot ba yun sa point na ayaw na siya nung time na split kayo?
Yun nga, ngayon, tulad nga po ngayon, okay po kami. Pero, we're not back together, we're not even trying. Walang ganun.
So, paano kayo pong magkasama?
Wala.
Paano yung tinatawag na yung isa-isa? Ilang ka pa rin?
Ako, lagi ko siyang hinihiritan, honestly. Hindi ako masyadong mabait. Pero, parang, syempre, I don't mean it. It's already done. It's already over. So, I don't try to make a big deal or, parang, to make a big deal or just like linger on something that's already done.
Pero nagselos ka talaga kay Casey nun, Del Rosario?
Opo.
Talaga? Kinonfront mo si Jake on that?
With that, opo.
Ano sabi niya?
Pero siya ba yung causing split?
Hindi.
Mas malalim pa din.
Naipon na.
Opo, marami po. And don't get me wrong, marami ko rin pong pagkukulang at pagkakamali. It's just that I got to a point where hindi ko na kaya.
Kasi di ba nabagit mo sa previous interview, parang nahalata mo na there's something between Casey and Jake.
Opo.
So yun. Isa yun sa pinakamalaki.
Yeah, that was one of my biggest issues when we were still together. Pero it wasn't the main reason.